In my online workshop, I'm going to teach how to make a symmetrical floral design. So this is basically what we're going to be doing is this design right here. And I'll teach y'all how to do it. So it's all the same on each side and it's nice and clean. And you can use it for beadwork or painting or jewelry. This is an example of how it can be used in a bracelet design. This is a bracelet design I'm working on right now. It's a gold on silver. The workshop will take about half an hour. As questions come in, I'll answer questions about drawing or jewelry or art. That's so pretty.